What's up, y'all? This is my Sunday dinner. Got my salad, got my corn, got my green, got my chicken wing, got my juice for dinner. Yeah, y'all like that? Got my salad, corn, chicken wing, and green, and my juice right here. Yeah, look at that, y'all. It looks so good, don't it? My salad with ranch dressing on my corn, my chicken wing. Well, this is my Labor Day for Monday, but this is my Sunday dinner. So, people barbecue today, so this is my Sunday dinner right here. My corn, my chicken wing, I put hot sauce on it, my green, my salad for dinner, and my juice. Ooh, y'all like that, y'all? Look at there. Got my chicken wing, my corn, my salads. I'm about to grub, and I'm about to enjoy my meal. I hope y'all have a good day, and good dinner, and a good Labor Day. So tomorrow's Labor Day. So thank you everybody for thumbs up my video. Enjoy your meal, and I'm about to enjoy my meal too. Look at that, y'all. My green, my chicken wings, corn, and salad for dinner, and my juice. Alright, y'all. Thumbs up for this video. If you like this food, thumbs up, and let's eat together, and let's have a good day. Alright? Peace out. Ooh, look at there. Man, it looks so delicious. I'm about to smash this food.